I wouldn't be using Groupon. In Australia, I would use Catch of the Day. And then what you want to do, where are we? What you want to do is set up a deal with Catch of the Day. So contact Catch of the Day. It's just down here. Go away. Go away. Thank you. It's down here, and annoyingly it keeps showing up. But it's down here, and it just keeps showing up. But you register your own deal. Yeah, as you can see, that's quite annoying. Register your own deal through Catch of the Day. And what you will do, simplest way to do it, is to simply then have your products live on Amazon. Set up a percentage off promotion with individual coupon codes. Don't do a blanket coupon code. That would be a huge mistake. Do individual coupon codes where they get, I don't know, 50% off, whatever it may be, okay? And then you set up your Catch of the Day promotion where you're going to give your product at 50% off. You'll run the promo. You'll allow 50 people to take your promo. Those 50 people get sent a way to go and buy your product, including, of course, your percentage off coupon code. And it is as simple as that. It is ludicrously easy to do. Yeah, and it works really well. The thing I really like using it for is two things, actually. First one is liquidating stock. If you've got stock that's not selling and you're kind of like, you know what, screw this. I made a mistake when I thought about getting into this product. It's not selling. It's too competitive, whatever it might be, you know. To liquidate your stock and get your cash back, this is a great way of doing it, all right? The other way I use it is for product launches. So as part and parcel of a launch strategy, it's also a good idea for that too, to use it as part and parcel of an overall launch strategy. So I use it for that. Oh, somebody says as well, who is that? Ash says, Oz Bargain. Oz Bargain. Thanks so much for that, Az. I haven't actually used that, but now that you have told me about it, oops, God, I can't spell. Oh, I'm an idiot. How the hell did I ever do this? Well, look, it proves, fortunately for us, that you don't need to be a genius to make this work. All right, Oz Bargain right here. This is thanks to Ash. Thanks for that, buddy. And I will be trying this out too. So thanks for that, mate. Appreciate the tip-off. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.